Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the game Resident Evil Requiem. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Fix 1 steps to fix sound problem in Resident Evil Requiem. So here follow the steps. Open Windows settings. On the left click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down and under the Advanced option, click on More Sound Settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Then go to the spatial sound, and in the spatial sound select the off option from the drop down and then hit on Apply. OK, and then you can go ahead, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then change it to Windows Sonic for headphones and then hit on Apply. OK, and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Resident Evil Requiem game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Fix 3. Steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in Resident Evil Requiem game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and then select More devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click Apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5. Update audio drivers. Open Device Manager and click on Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to be completed. And after the updating your audio drivers, you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then you can check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Resident Evil Requiem game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.